And this workshop today and your Busy to Boss program inside your Legends Lab dashboard is going to show you exactly how. So welcome to today's training that's going to take you through getting this sense of control back in your business. So let's first of all talk about the first step for getting yourself a bit more organized, getting more control back in your business. And that is to make sure that you've created a clone of yourself in ChatGPT, or if you prefer, another language model in AI. Now, you all have been trained by me on how to do this by now. If you haven't, you can go into the Legends Lab, type in AI in the search bar, and there is a workshop in there called How to AI Yourself. That is a very important training that's going to take you through how to take all of your knowledge out of your head, pop it into an AI custom GPT bot of your own that from that point onwards is going to continuously learn how you think, how you write things, how you answer things, how you do things, how you sell things in your business. The sooner you start this process, the simpler your life is going to be from this point forward, because this thing is going to only keep improving and getting better and learning you more and more over time. So the sooner you begin this, the simpler it's going to make all of your future content creation, communication with customers, creating sales page copy, creating emails, absolutely everything, you name it. This is going to simplify your life dramatically going forward. So that's your first tip. Create your custom GPT. I have training on that. If you're not in the Legends Lab, you can go to my website, sarahcordiner.com, and go to the free resources tab. And you will actually find a shorter mini version of how to create your own GPT in there as well.